I've been told by someone who I trust and respect that this is an explosive shack. As I come back with Aquachigger, of course Daisy, and we are metal detecting it. Now he has already picked up quite a nice nugget over there, and I've got an interesting target here. I started digging and I thought, let's take you guys along on the adventure. So come join me. Let's dig this bad boy up. It is so hot today. I just drank this bottle of water in like 2 minutes. We're here, let's dig. We're here, let's detect. Well, we're here anyway. Iron. So this building, if you see, had a concrete cap on it right there. So a stone ceiling. See that? It was built right into the bedrock. Isn't that cool? So what I thought I might do is to start, just take a pinpointer and see if there's anything metal. This is quite the adventure. I don't know what we'll find. You can see from the moss. Been here a long time, and looky. So we might just be digging iron. Here's what it looks like under the moss. Isn't that curious? Maybe they used like rebar in the roof. So closer to the front of the structure, I'm getting another one, which, considering it is long and narrow, my confidence isn't good. So it happens. Fun, but not successful. And the bugs are just driving Daisy nuts. There she is. See all the bugs around her? Poor dog. Let's get out of here. Well, I didn't realize it was a competition, but Canada's reputation is on the line as I compete unknowingly against Aquachigger. So here's a good signal. Well, nothing on the pinpointer, which means it's deeper, bigger. Oh, I'm getting excited. Still in the hole. Makes the detector scream. Is that it? No. Wow, it's a beautiful rock. shocked. I certainly am baffled. You'd think the pinpointer would pick it up. We're down like 1.5 feet. I'm almost ready to give up. That might be the rock of our lifetime. Keep going. So we've moved the target, and now it should be somewhere here. And once again, we're not picking it up. I'll drop it back in the hole again. A baffling target. What do you want to bet? It was small, and every time I move something, it wanders down. Should be right in here. Finally. Oh man, I've been chasing that. Man-made metal. So the sun's beating down on us pretty good. I got a liquid refreshment. There she is. Hey. Leave the door open so she gets a bit of a breeze, but she just does not like to get bit. She's all bitten around the eyes and the belly where there's no fur. I have to get going because I got to catch up to Bo. He's one good nugget ahead of me. 1-0. Well, I thought I'd let you listen to a whisper. See? Almost doesn't even break the threshold. Let's get that beast. Starting to sound way better. In here somewhere. Take a little bit of rock out. It's down there now. Bet you that's it. You know, it's dirty. It's been in the ground 100 years. I wouldn't shine after being buried that long either. See that? You can see the silver coming through. Okay. We have ourselves a nugget. That one's heavy, maybe, certainly half a pound, probably more. Beautiful.
There's a rock with silver in it over there too.
Another one?
Yeah, it's a big rock though. It just has like a thin layer going across.
Not gonna bring it home?
Well, I don't know. Is it worth it?
I don't know.
I didn't want to carry it all the way through the woods. It's right over there. I can get it.
You can tell we're doing well when you don't bring. It only had that much silver in it.
Pretty much.
Well, sad news for Team Canada. Bo just showed me a couple of really good rocks. So I don't know if I'm going to catch up. What a guy. Never bet against the Chig when it comes to metal detecting. Well, here we are home. Both me and my rock are washed up. I'm washed up. Let's cut it and show you what truly is inside this magnificent specimen. So there she is cut. You can actually see just up in the top edge, that metal looks like a pure silver, whereas this is mostly a combination, by the look of it, of cobalt and silver. You can see a little line of silver there, you know, bright and shiny. It'll still polish up beautifully, and I'll show that in another video, but it's not as good a rock as I expected. It's not a bad rock, I'm not saying that, but I will direct you to look at Aquachigger's videos. I think he'll post his side of this story, and you'll see I got spanked. But the good news is we do it one more time. Let's see whether or not Team Canada can succeed against Team USA. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I'll post the other video real soon.